Home Remedies presents just 1 spoon and only 1 minute. Do a simple health check test at home. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will tell you how to perform a simple spoon test that you can do at your home. This test reveals hidden conditions you could be suffering from. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Busy schedules and overrun clinics are often some of the off-putting reasons why people do not have regular checkups. In addition, a regular checkup can be quite costly, especially if you go to a private clinic or hospital. However, there is now a simple health test that you can do from the comfort of your own home, and it only takes a minute and a spoon. How to perform the health check test with just 1 spoon. This test should be done on empty stomach. The first thing in the morning, avoid drinking water before you perform this spoon test. Take a spoon and rub its base over the entire surface of your tongue. Make it wet with your saliva. Put the spoon in a plastic bag and keep it under the sun or any bright light. After a minute, take the spoon out of the bag. Avoid touching the base. Now that we are done with the test, it is time to observe the results now. Here we go. Clean spoon with no odors means good health. In case of an odor, strong means lung or stomach issues. Sweet means diabetes. Ammonia means kidney issues. In case of stains, yellow, white, thick coat, thyroid problems. These stains will have a thick coating. The conversion of beta-carotene to vitamin A depends on the thyroid hormone. A deficiency can manifest a yellowish build-up of carotene. Purple. Poor blood flow, bronchitis, cholesterol. Bronchitis reduces air waves that bring oxygen to the bloodstream, which can cause a purple stain. White. Respiratory problems. This white buildup is caused by several infections and viruses present in the body. Orange. Kidney diseases. Chronic kidney disease can cause mouth tissues turn pale due to anemia or orange due to carotene-like deposits. Remember that this spoon test is a replacement for a health checkup with your doctor, which you can easily perform at home. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.